So today, you'll learn how to add music in CapCut Desktop. So the first step is to launch CapCut, and then you want to create your project. So click on Create Project, and then wait for the project page to load. Once it's loaded, you then want to import your video. To do that, click on Import, and then it will open the File Explorer. So navigate through your File Explorer and select your photo or video depending on your preferences. So I'll be choosing a photo. Once you've selected your photo, click on Open, and then it will be added to the import section. From here, you want to add it to the timeline. So just click on this plus icon or just drag and drop it directly onto the timeline. Next, you then want to ensure that you have the photo selected. Then you want to come to the audio section. Under audio, you should then see different audio tracks that are available for you to choose from. You also have different categories that you can choose from. So you have VIP Hot, Travel, Beats, Pop, Love, all sorts of options. So go through the different categories and choose which option you'd prefer to use. So for me, for this specific image, I'll be choosing to use summer. So I'll select summer, and then I'll have different summer music that I can choose from to add to my image. If you have a video that you want to add music to, then just go through the list and look for the different option that you would want to use. And then once you've found it, all you need to do is simply just click on this download icon and then download it onto your onto CapCut. And then once it's been downloaded, to add it, just click on this add to track. So click on this plus icon, and then it will be added onto your video. So from here, to move it so that it matches the timeline, just click and then drag it so that it matches the beginning of the video. And then if you want to make it shorter, you can choose to either split it. So move this timeline icon to the end and then split it, and then just select that second part and delete. Or what you can alternatively do is simply just zoom out and then ensure that the track has been selected and use the handle and then just shorten it until it matches the ending of the video. Then you can zoom back in and you'll notice that the video has now matched the the track has now matched the picture. So now whenever you play, you should be able to hear that specific audio that you've chosen going along with your video or with your photo. If you don't like how the video sounds like, you can always just come back to customize it, whether it's enhancing the volume, using a fade in and out option, enhancing the voice vocal isolation, all sorts of things. Or you can just select it, then delete it and choose something else from the list. If you have a specific song in mind for you to choose from, then you can use this search function to search for songs or artists. So for example, I can search for Summer Love and then search, and then it will give me any topics to do with summer love under my music section. So I have this one here, so I can just click on download, and then once it's downloaded, I can click on this plus icon, and then I can go back and just adjust it to my liking. So that's how you can add music to a project in CapCut Desktop. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.